ID. Please take me to the future lab.
Have a good journey.
To increase safety, the ID light can visually warn us. For example, when pedestrians are crossing. Well done, ID. And in an emergency, front assist can also initiate braking. The ID bus has been developed as a pure electric vehicle, the only one in its class, and it's packed with technology. The ID bus is based on the MEB, the modular platform for all our latest generation EVs. This concept enables us to bring sustainability to the market quickly and effectively. It also saves an incredible amount of space. The axles are set far apart to ensure short overhangs. The ID bus is currently our largest model based on the same principle as the rest of the ID product line. Our vehicles are not only connected with each other, they also communicate with the traffic infrastructure. They receive and send important traffic hazard information using a dedicated communication standard that is independent of the cellular network. This can help to avoid accidents. And the vehicles are constantly updated over the air. This ensures that the ID family is always running on the latest software version. The ID bus features even more innovative connected technologies, like actively assisted lane changing and the new train parking. Both of these systems offer our customers additional comfort in a vehicle of this size. For instance, the latest version of Travel Assist uses swarm data to enhance road safety with driving information gathered from other vehicles that have been using this road before. This can help keep the vehicle in the lane on roads with no lane markings. The ID bus is already capable of transferring energy from its battery into a home energy storage system. It's called Vehicle to Home. And in the future, it can feed energy into the public power grid if necessary. Talking about the future. Autonomous driving sounds like pie in the sky, but it's already much closer than you think. The shared riding model with autonomous ID bus vehicles is starting here in Hamburg in 2025. We are already on the road with the latest technology and vehicle software in cooperation with Moja, a local ride-sharing service. The upcoming ID Bus ID is the first Volkswagen Group model to be equipped with a Level 4 self-driving system for autonomous driving. It's our pioneering force into a new era of mobility.
It's great, huh? You know, we are not talking now about only car, we are talking about moving icon. It's a very special moment. So, Astrid is the expert in color and trim. What do you think about the color? About this, how is it feeling?
I'm happy, Jozef. We have an optimistic, positive and bright colored palette. Also the B-color variant you can order. It makes everything so much more lifestyle.
It's nice details, nice quality. But what is great as well is the space. You feel so much space, everything is simplified. It's so functional, but so clean.
Yeah, and I also like the touch of the materials. We have so many things in here that are sustainable. This steering wheel here is made from non-animal materials, for example. The ceiling is also made from recycled PET bottles. Did you touch the seats?
Oh,
the velour is made from PET bottle. Did you know that?
I did. But it's great, and the charming details. Do you see some already?
No, I haven't seen them yet.
No, you have to look at it. The point is that you don't get them to see in the beginning, but I give you a little help. There's, for example, one smiley very close to you, actually two of them, and maybe one even outside when you go and look the car from the back. The ambient light, you know, when you look a little bit around, maybe we can do it even now, with a bit of magic. Guys, can you please turn the light down that we can have a look? Great light and very cozy. Feels like home, huh? Very modern. like a modern home for everybody.
Up to 170 kilowatts charging power, plug charge and bidirectional charging, the ID Buzz and ID Buzz Cargo are launching across Europe with a 77 kilowatt-hours battery, gross energy content, 82 kilowatt-hours. It provides current to a 150 kilowatts electric motor, which, as the flat engine once did in the T1, drives the rear axle. The position of the battery, integrated deep down in the sandwich floor, and the lightweight electric drive system result in a good distribution of weight and a low vehicle center of gravity. Both factors optimize the handling and agility. The lithium-ion battery can be charged from wall boxes or public charging stations using 11 kilowatts alternating current, AC. Via a CCS plug connector at a DC rapid charging station, direct current, the charging power increases to as much as 170 kilowatts. When charged in this way, the battery charge level rises from 5 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Using the latest ID software, the model line will also offer the plug charge function in the future. Via this function, the ID Buzz authenticates itself at compatible DC rapid charging stations via the charging connector using the ISO 15118 standard. It also exchanges all necessary data with the charging station in this way, an added convenience. Bidirectional charging enables the ID Buzz to feed unneeded energy from the battery into the customer's home network, vehicle to home. The power transfer and communication take place via a special DC bidirectional wall box,